Are you facing the green or gray screen problem in WhatsApp chats? This can be frustrating, but here are some straightforward solutions to help you fix this issue. Solution 1. Restart your phone. Simply restart your phone, as sometimes a quick reboot can resolve minor software issues causing display problems in WhatsApp. Solution 2. Clear cache and relaunch the app. Go to your phone's settings and open apps or app manager, then find and tap on WhatsApp. Next, go to storage and tap on clear cache. Now close WhatsApp from the recent apps list and relaunch WhatsApp to see if the problem is resolved. Solution 3. Opt out of beta program and reinstall WhatsApp. Open the Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp, then, if you're part of the beta program, tap on Leave to opt out. Now, before uninstalling WhatsApp, back up your chats by going to WhatsApp, then go to Settings, then head over to Chats, just over some scroll, and then Chat Backup and tap on Backup to save your chats to Google Drive or your device. Once backed up, you can head to Home Screen and uninstall WhatsApp from your device, then reinstall the standard version of WhatsApp from the Play Store and restore your backup when prompted after logging in. These steps should help you get rid of the green and gray screen issue in WhatsApp chats. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech fixes.